Hi, hi, hi. Hello, good evening. Happy New Year, everyone. This is Ali Vetru, and this is Grow with V's channel. Happy New Year to you once again, and welcome to my channel. This is my first video here. I'm super excited. I don't know how I'm feeling. I feel a little bit anxious. I feel afraid. I feel like I don't know what is this channel going to hold for me. What are the surprises? What are the things I'm going to experience with this channel? But I'm here now, and I'm willing to experience it all and give it a try. Right. So this is my very first video here on YouTube, and oh my god, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to say. All right. I am Ali Vetru. I am a Nigerian. I'm a Nigerian. This is how people do it. This is how people do it. Okay, so I am Vetru Ali and I am a Nigerian from Kogi State to be precise, Ibera tribe. Um, what else? I am here. Uh, Cut it. I am Ali Vetru and I am a Nigerian from Kogi State and I base in River State, Port Harcourt. Grow with this channel is going to be about how to's. I'm going to be sharing different experiences, different tips, different hacks, different tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel. So this is going to be a how-to kind of channel, right? Where I'm going to be sharing, like I already mentioned, how to grow on YouTube, how to monetize your YouTube account, how to get watch ads, how to get subscribers, how to. That is what this channel is going to be talking about. If you're wondering why would she be doing that, I actually have an experience. I have been on YouTube for a while, but this is a different channel altogether. So I'm trying to niche down here because I already have lots of experiences. I have lots of information already, and I don't want to keep procrastinating. I have procrastinated for so long, so I don't want to keep procrastinating, and that's the reason why I'm creating this channel and dedicating it solely to help a small YouTuber like myself, other YouTubers who must have been stuck somehow, who wants to begin and they don't know how to go about it. I'm dedicating this channel to teaching and helping others grow. Now, for today's video, before I get to run off, I'm just going to be sharing this. If you are like me, you have been procrastinating, or you have had reasons why you are yet to start a YouTube channel. You want to, but you don't know how to go about it. You want to, and you're wondering, how do I get to shoot? How do I get to film? How do I get to? I don't have the right equipment and all of that. You can start gradually. So I'm just going to drop this simple thing for us. If you are intending to start up a new YouTube channel like I'm doing now in this year 2025, try to focus on yourself. Try to add to the back of your mind this word focus, right? Have focus at the back of your mind. Focus on your why, your how, and then your what. For your why, ask yourself, why am I starting up this channel? What do I want to achieve with this channel? What do I intend? Why am I going to go through the stress of sitting and recording myself saying things? What is my why? Try to understand what your why is. When you're able to understand your why, shooting videos will not be difficult for you. It won't be so much of a hassle to shoot a video. If you can also answer the question of what what should be addressing, what kind of content do you want to put out there, what kind of content do you want your viewers to have to enjoy from you, what kind of content do you want your audience to enjoy from you? Is it entertaining content? Is it educative? Is it comedy? Is it music? What kind of content do you want to have on your channel? When you're able to answer that, starting up will not be so difficult. The last one I said is how. Now ask yourself, how do I want to go about it? How do I want to achieve my goal? How do I want to get the desired results? There are a lot of things that you can do, right? And trust me, giving excuses is not one of them. Giving excuses is not one of them at all. Giving excuses as I don't have a good phone to record, I don't have a microphone like this one, I don't have a tripod stand, I don't have this, I don't have, is not allowed in 2025. what the things you need are already in your hands. The things you need are already provided for you. We have we already have so many apps that can help you edit the video you get to shoot with the phone you have. Like you can film with the phone you have and then use your apps such as CapCut and some other InShot InShot, CapCut, and some other applications to edit your video to make them look really good, right? You don't have to have everything. In fact, if we're going to go by though, there's this YouTuber that actually enjoy watching her content. If you're going to go by her advice, she does this thing where she just films. She doesn't. There's no break. There's no editing. There's no special thing to do. She just shoots and then use a regular thumbnail and all of that. I don't want this to be too long. I don't want this to be too bulky because like I said, it's my own first video. So let me keep it precise and short. Just focus on why you are starting up your channel, how you want to go about it, the things, what are the things, what kind of content you want to put out there, and just get started. Just like I'm doing it afraid, you too can also start. Do it afraid. Let's get to grow together. Thank you so much for watching my first video on YouTube. I am hoping that I'll come back here days, weeks, months, years from now and smile at this video and say, oh, thank God I was able to put this out. Thank God I was able to shoot this first video. Um, and I don't know, I hope I'll be able to come back and really, really smile at this video because of the result I will get from it. So you too can start rather than wait, rather than sit and be hoping for something to happen. You can make it happen. Welcome to Grow with V. And don't forget to give us a like on this video, comment, um, subscribe, please. Please subscribe. Help me, grow this channel. Help me grow this channel and stay tuned because I have a whole lot of things. I have a lot. Let me show you this book. This is where I have my contents written. I have a whole lot of things I'm going to be sharing with us. You are definitely going to benefit from it. So please sit tight, stay glued on this channel, and don't forget this pretty face because you're going to be seeing her as often as you should. I'll be posting on Mondays, on Thursdays, and on Saturdays here, at least for the meantime. So I don't overstretch it. I don't overburden myself. So please look out for the next video on Thursday. Thank you and do have a blessed week. All right, kisses. Bye.